But what about how to start with video marketing? You may keep your marketing relevant and fresh by using live video to achieve your buyers. Seriously, internet marketing can pull in more people to your website and boost your branding. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to start with video marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Endeavor to concentrate on receiving the very best education possible if you are a newcomer to internet advertising. Online marketing, also referred to as internet promotion, is forever evolving, and if you have an online business you will need to keep abreast of all of the choices available to you and your company. When it's part of your advertising strategy or only sharing with pals, using social networking sites like Twitter to share photos is a significant idea. Then you ought to pick an advertising strategy based on what it is that you're good at doing and what you already are interested in doing. Local small business advertising strategies will help to cultivate your neighborhood small business online. What you need to do about how to start with video marketing beginning in the next 3 minutes. Overlaying steps on the video allow a person to scroll through an undertaking and easily locate the step they're searching for. Keep in mind that you would like your video to be professional and that you wish to reveal your customers a polished appearance. Unlike YouTube, if a video was viewed a minimum of 3 seconds, it's thought of as a view by Facebook. It must be under 10 minutes long, but you can do a very effective video for under a minute, which is another great advantage to using YouTube to generate traffic to your site. Viral videos are a really good advertising tool among certain audiences, but remember your niche may not be likely to watch and share viral videos. You may create a professional video for very little money and utilize it repeatedly. You are able to embed videos on your own site so that users cannot just see them on YouTube, but on your own site too. As long since you can create videos that draw people, you can promote yourself online. You must optimize your videos so people can actually find them. Your videos want to provide value to others. When it has to do with using video to pull an audience, it's an incredibly straightforward approach. You don't even need to promise more videos like the one someone watches. Video marketing might be exactly what your company needs to truly take off. It is an effective way to better communicate the benefits of your business. It is another very successful way to build traffic. Take a look at the subsequent ways you may use video marketing in your small business. Video promotion is one of the very best marketing techniques out there. Video marketing in the world of inbound marketing is composed of unique elements and ingredients which make it effective. How to get started with how to start with video marketing. Anyone who does marketing for their company knows how important it's to continue to keep your advertising efforts fresh and relevant to your intended market. Viral marketing can do the exact same thing for your website. Simply speaking, digital marketing renders ample of chances for freshers along with entrepreneurs. The digital marketing fascinated the business leaders to consider promoting their company on the online platform. Report marketing. Article marketing is an excellent means to find lead, particularly for the very long term. For instance, if you prefer to write, you may want to get started with article marketing or blogging. The argument about how to start with video marketing. Video marketing might be exactly what your company needs to actually take off. It is an effective way to better communicate the benefits of your business. It is another very successful way to build traffic. You might have heard of video marketing, and might even have tried your hand at a couple of videos, but gave up after that because they don't appear to be bringing visitors to your site and don't receive any hits on YouTube either. When you're using video marketing to advertise your goods or business, it's important to get a very good title. Take a look at the subsequent ways you may use video marketing in your business enterprise. The advertising strategy of the group will drive in the perfect crowd. Local business advertising strategies will help to cultivate your local small business online. Now, unfortunately, lots of people will fail at affiliate advertising. Observing the above-mentioned steps can help you understand affiliate marketing, advantages of using it and the way to do affiliate advertising. Report marketing. Article marketing is a terrific means to find lead, particularly for the very long term. It'll be great if you are able to afford to use both strategies. You can also produce blogs, as it is sometimes an amazing online advertising strategy. When you're just beginning your online marketing campaign, you'll be able to stick to a suitable marketing and advertising strategies which will help you to boost your enterprise online. A successful advertising campaign ought to start with the best compiled lists. Even just a well-optimized campaign can shortfall as soon as your lists aren't accurate and targeted. A video promoting campaign really can promote your organization and earn money on the web. Anyone who does marketing for their company knows how important it's to continue to keep your advertising efforts fresh and relevant to your intended audience. Simply speaking, digital marketing renders ample of chances for freshers in addition to entrepreneurs. The digital marketing fascinated the business leaders to consider promoting their company on the online platform. With some simple understanding of internet marketing, you will have the ability to sell things online to people that you don't even know. Viral marketing can do exactly the same thing for your website. Social media marketing is undoubtedly among the most popular marketing and advertising methods these days, and lots of experts consider it for the most effective possible ROI. You may keep your marketing relevant and fresh by using live video to achieve your buyers. Seriously, internet marketing can pull in more people to your website and boost your branding. Just continue the online marketing consistent and learn new techniques along the best way to earn money from any opportunity. Endeavor to concentrate on receiving the very best education possible, if you are a newcomer to internet advertising. Internet marketing isn't very hard to learn if you start with the techniques which you're most comfortable with. Online marketing, also referred to as internet promotion, is forever evolving, and if you have an online business you will need to keep abreast of all of the choices available to you and your company. With Google Insights you can identify the kinds of words people use while looking for your sort of business. Not being professional, your company is a business and has to be treated as such. Hence, it is benefited. Therefore, if you prefer your business to receive noticed, stay active and post relevant stuff through your organization profile. Though you're attempting to advertise a business, it's wise to find a small person with your video shipping. You've got to keep your organization and always upgrade the development of business through learning and training. Moreover, it's your precious company and it's sure you have to set this up on the good ground. Your videos will need to provide value to others. You should optimize your videos so people can actually find them. You could also take a look at viral videos that could possibly grab attention. Do not presume that video marketing needs to be about making viral videos. Viral videos are a really good advertising tool among certain audiences, but remember, your niche may not be likely to watch and share viral videos. You may create a professional video for very little money and utilize it again and again. Educational videos are a fantastic method to receive your audience interested in your company. The appeal of how to start with video marketing. If people go to your website, don't assume they can view your video. Getting your website in place and with a web promotional plan in your hand, you are able to simultaneously begin to receive your site ranked high in all the important search engines including Google. So, it's important for your company site in order to come in the very best searches of Google. You are able to begin to construct your own site or get in contact with an agency for Magento e-commerce development services. Also, an extraordinary website is one which provides the perfect information at the correct moment. After understanding the value of an internet shop, it will become crucial for all of us to begin a site for internet selling. The number one question you must ask for how to start with video marketing. When you are finished with creating and sharing your video, it's possible to try out creating short-form videos from the identical content. Explore various video creation tools which could assist you in making the video. When videos appear in search, the titles are frequently the very first thing people see. In the event the video isn't interesting, nobody would even wish to see the initial 35 seconds. When you upload the video, you may add the YouTube card to allow a call to action in only 4 steps. With the proper strategy, you may also start with videos to cultivate your business enterprise. You don't even need to promise more videos like the one someone watches. Besides external announcements, you may use videos for internal announcements also. In the end, you may use video for upselling to your current customers. Unlike YouTube, if a video was viewed a minimum of 3 seconds, it's thought of as a view by Facebook. It is a crucial component of any online marketing strategy. Transcribing your videos is an excellent means to alert Google to the topic of your video. Overlaying steps on the video allow a person to scroll through an undertaking and easily locate the step they're searching for. If you currently have a corporate video, we advise you to launch it like a video ad to boost your brand exposure. Optimize after you upload. After you've uploaded your video, YouTube offers you the chance to earn some extra optimization tweaks. As you don't need of your videos to look, you have to keep exactly the same dash and tone throughout. When it has to do with video, the exact principles apply. By the assistance of superior search engine optimization technique, it is easy to boost up your videos on YouTube. How to start with video marketing help. Do write to us if you wish to learn more about video advertising. So if you're using video marketing, make certain to include the videos you're creating to help explain your points. Video marketing is the upcoming huge thing. Video marketing is the domain of inbound marketing, is composed of unique elements and ingredients which make it effective. Online marketing implies difficult work, particularly at the beginning. Online marketing, also referred to as internet promotion, is forever evolving, and if you have an online business, you want to keep abreast of all of the choices available to you and your company. Viral marketing can do precisely the same thing for your website. If you are conversant with social media marketing, you are aware that the description is quite important. If you're looking to grow your organization, the blog will help answer your questions. So you own a business and you need to grow fast. Your business doesn't need to devote a lot of money on expensive equipment to generate a share-worthy vlog post. If you've been in operation for virtually any time, you know that Harvard Business Review produces a number of the best studies on a broad scope of topics. With Google Insights, you can identify the kinds of words people use while browsing for your kind of business. Not being professional, your company is a business and has to be treated as such. Your small business isn't seeing the benefits as you aren't blogging for business. If you have discovered the business you're passionate about, stay with it and don't quit. You're excited to begin blogging for business and you're convinced that it's the appropriate action to do for your small business. If you intend to start your affiliate internet advertising organization, you might be attempting to locate systems to begin the company. You ought to be measuring marketing analytics. There's one final step to the integration of RSS in your advertising strategy. The ideal marketing tool is the one that you use to get started with Facebook video, and allow me to know whether you require any extra tips. The Nonprofit Advertising Guide has some wonderful examples of interview questions. You are able to put all your product information in videos. Any advertising activity ought to be clearly aligned with the overall goals for your industry. Building a business takes time, and you've got to commit to it and stick with this. Working on a web-based business takes time, but you can employ your downtime to acquire things done. Because it's all digital. If you're not decided right from the beginning, I suggest buying more than one domain names and choose later the one that is suitable for your goals best. The perfect place to start is with your own network. Not only changes how the RSS to observe the information for visitors, but in addition, it opens up wider opportunities for publishers who need to unionize content sharing their content over the web. So, you have to know your video promoting audience. Thanks for watching my video about how to start with video marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.